The Eufy X8 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner represents a pinnacle of innovation and convenience in home cleaning technology. With its powerful 2x 4,000 pascals twin-turbine suction and advanced features such as iPath, Laser Navigation and AI.Map 2.0, this cutting-edge device offers unparalleled efficiency and customization. Designed to effortlessly tackle pet hair, maintain carpets, and navigate complex environments, this vacuum cleaner promises to revolutionize the way we approach household cleaning tasks. In this review, we delve into the intricate details and performance of this vacuum cleaner, exploring its capabilities and how it enhances the cleanliness and comfort of modern living spaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Hair-free carpets. This vacuum cleaner boasts powerful 2x 4,000 pascals twin-turbine suction, making it particularly adept at tackling pet hair embedded deep within carpets. This feature ensures that carpets are left impeccably clean and free from any lingering pet hair, which is often a common concern for pet owners. The enhanced suction power efficiently extracts even the most stubborn pet hair, restoring carpets to a pristine condition with minimal effort required from the user. Number 2. Tangle-Free Roller Brush. One of the standout features of this vacuum cleaner is its innovative Tangle-Free Roller Brush equipped with a Pro-Detangle comb. This design feature eliminates the need for manual cleaning of the roller brush, as the comb automatically disentangles any trapped hair during each cleaning cycle. This not only saves time and effort for the user, but also ensures consistent cleaning performance without the hassle of dealing with tangled brush issues. Number 3. 45 days hands-free cleaning. Convenience is a key aspect of this vacuum cleaner, evident in its ability to provide up to 45 days of hands-free cleaning. The robot vacuum's dust bin is designed to automatically empty its contents into the station's spacious 2.5-liter dustbin. This not only eliminates the need for frequent emptying, but also ensures that dust and debris are securely sealed inside, minimizing exposure to allergens and reducing maintenance requirements for the user. Number 4. iPath Laser Navigation. Equipped with iPath Laser Navigation technology, this vacuum cleaner is capable of creating precise maps of your home environment. This enables the robot vacuum to navigate efficiently, identifying obstacles and determining optimal cleaning routes. The precision of the laser navigation system enhances the overall cleaning performance of this vacuum cleaner, ensuring thorough coverage of the designated areas while avoiding potential hazards or obstacles in its path. Number 5. Customizable AI.Map 2.0. This vacuum cleaner offers a high degree of customization through its AI.Map 2.0 feature. Users have the flexibility to tailor their cleaning settings according to their specific preferences and living space requirements. This includes the ability to set up no-go zones, define virtual boundaries, and utilize other advanced features to optimize the cleaning experience. The customizable nature of the AI.Map 2.0 ensures that users can achieve a thorough and tailored cleaning performance that meets their individual needs. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13.8 inches length by 18.03 inches width by 15.11 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Eufy X8 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner sets a new standard for automated cleaning solutions with its combination of powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly customization options. Its ability to effortlessly maintain hair-free carpets, navigate obstacles, and provide hands-free cleaning for extended periods makes it a standout choice for homeowners seeking convenience and efficiency. With this vacuum cleaner, this brand demonstrates a commitment to innovation and practicality, offering a reliable and effective solution to the challenges of household maintenance. For those looking to streamline their cleaning routines and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable living environment, This vacuum cleaner proves to be an indispensable asset. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.